You're wondering, what do you bring if you're invited for dinner at the rabbi's house, right? I'm wondering too. So I decided to bring this Jewish star amulet with an evil eye and to wrap it myself from items purchased at the dollar store, because everything's at the dollar store. It was a flop. So I took the tool and I cut it in half down the middle on that little blue strip that's showing. Again, easier said than done. I cut and I pulled it apart and everything got all messed up and tangled, but I was determined to give it a try. So I put it together again and I wrapped it and double knotted it and did what I needed to do, because everything is taught on TikTok, right? And it still was a little bit ugly. I'll let you agree here in this picture. So what I did is I went out into the garden, and since we're having such a severe drought in California, all of the flowers are dead. So what's better than dead flowers or a drought? Cactuses. And those can be regrown as well. So it's actually part of the gift. I tied them together and I put them inside of that little hole there inside of the knot so that they would stay. Gave it a final clip, clean up. And how'd I do?